In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and set up payment methods in Odoo, a comprehensive suite of business applications. Whether you're new to Odoo or simply trying to adjust your payment settings, this guide will take you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll want to visit your Odoo instance. This typically looks something like yourcompany.odoo.com. Once you're there, log in using your Odoo credentials. If you've logged in before, this should be a familiar process. Now that you're logged in, we're ready to dive into the accounting or invoicing module. From the Odoo dashboard, the module should be easy to spot. However, if you don't see it right away, don't worry. Simply navigate to apps and search for accounting. If it's not installed yet, you'll see an option to install it. Once installed, you can access it directly from the dashboard. With accounting open, we're going to steer toward the configuration of payment methods next. To do this, click on configuration and then payment acquirers. You'll be presented with a list of existing payment providers that you've set up, such as PayPal, Stripe, or Authorize.net. If it's your first time setting this up, this list might be empty or contain only default entries. Now it's time to add a new payment acquirer. Click on Create to begin this process. Here, you'll enter some essential details. Start with the provider name. For example, Stripe or PayPal. If you're operating multiple companies under Odoo, make sure to select the appropriate company. Next, specify the currency you'll be using with this payment option. API keys or credentials will be your next task. These details are provided by the payment provider, so you'll need to retrieve them from your account on the provider's website. Make sure you enter these carefully to ensure that transactions process smoothly. Initially, it's advisable to set the environment to test mode. This allows you to verify that everything functions correctly before going live. This is especially important as it gives you a chance to troubleshoot any issues without impacting real transactions. Once your new payment method is added, you need to configure the payment options. Decide on the payment flow that best suits your business model. You can either allow customers to pay directly on your site or redirect them to the provider's secure website to complete the transaction. Additionally, you can enable or disable payment options for your invoicing, e-commerce operations, or subscription services. Consider how each option fits into your existing systems and customer experience. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully logged in and set up a new payment method within Odoo. Remember, always test your configuration in a safe environment before making it live. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Odoo tutorials.